Hey friends, this is Atif Well and welcome to the new update on WazirX token. On 5th of July, the WazirX had a big event of coin burn, and after that we were expecting that the price action will be moved up, but so far it is moving sideways. For example, if we watch on the live chart, then the price action is moving sideways at the resistance of this channel. But there is a big development behind the scene. For example, first of all, I would like to show you this coin market cap data. This is a historical data, and you can see that this is the 5th July here. Let me show you. And before 5th of July, we can see that the market cap of the WazirX was 16.1 million, 16.4 million, 15.8 million. And on the 5th of July, we had the market cap 21.1 million, 21.2 million, 21.4 million. And if we will watch the current situation, then we are still above the 21 million. So now the market cap is stable above the 21 million, and it is increased by 40% from 15 million to 21 million, or above 21 million. So this is a very positive move, and this is showing the interest of the traders and the investors in WazirX, and I hope that it will be increased in the future more. Now, if we move to the live chart, then in my previous video, we have seen that the price action was moving within this down channel. This seems to be a parallel channel, but if you take a closer look on the chart, then it is a little bit down. Therefore, I'm just calling it down channel. And since July 3rd, the price action is still moving at the resistance of this channel, and once this resistance will be broken out, then we have the next resistance at 20 cents, and if it will be broken down, the support of the channel will be broken down, then we have the next support at 8 cents. For example, if I will place the moon phases indicator, that is really very useful tool or indicator to predict about the channel, that whether the price action will be able to cross up or break out the channel, or it will break down the support. Then we can see this is the full moon, the bullish moon, and this is the bearish or dark moon. We have the full moon at the resistance of the channel and the dark moon at the support of the channel, and both moons are indicating that it will be difficult for the price line to cross up this level, this resistance, and cross down or break down this support of the channel. But if we place the volume profile indicator on the complete price action moving within this channel, then volume profile is also showing we have weak interest of the traders so far at the resistance of the channel, and very weak interest of the traders at the support of the channel as well. But if we watch the POC, the volume profile's point of control of the volume profile, then it is moving towards the resistance of the channel. You can see that here it was at the center, and as it is a down channel, but the volume profile is still moving in a horizontal way, and you can see now this resistance of the channel is getting closer and closer to the point of control of the volume profile. And this point of control always works as a center of gravity for the price line. Whenever the price line moves up or moves down, it moves back towards the volume profile. So we can expect, if the price line will be moving at this level and this resistance will be moved more down, then finally the price action will have a breakout from this resistance of the channel, and from after this resistance up to this resistance of 20 cents, we don't have any significant resistance level on this daily chart. And if we watch the different simple moving averages with the time period of 25, 50, and 100, then we can see that the price action has already broken out all these moving averages and moving above these simple moving averages, and we have just received a bull cross between the 25 and 50, and now this 25 simple moving average is going to cross up this 100 simple moving average as well, and after that we will also receive a bull cross between the 50 and the 100 moving average. However, the price action has a very strong support of these moving averages 100, 25, and 50. Therefore, we can expect that these moving averages due to these moving averages, the price action will be not moved down up to the support of the channel, and it will be moving at this level of point of control of this volume profile. And if we watch this Ichimoku cloud on this daily chart that we have already seen in my previous video as well, then the cloud is completely turned bullish, and we have the lagging span. This green one is the lagging span moving above the cloud and above the price action and above the conversion and the baseline as well. This blue one is the conversion, and this red one is the baseline. The blue one represents the bulls, and this red one represents the bears. And the conversion line has also crossed up this baseline. That is another powerful bullish signal, and the price action is moving above this cloud. And if we want the directional movement, then this positive directional indicator that represents the bulls, and this negative directional indicator that represents the bears, then we have the positive directional indicator above the negative directional indicator, and the ADX is moving up. And this time the value of the ADX is more than 34. And this ADX shows the power of bulls or bears. For example, if we had this line above this positive directional indicator, this negative one, then this ADX would be showing the power of bears. But at this time we are having this blue one above this orange one, that is the positive directional indicator representing the bulls. Therefore, the ADX is showing the power of bulls. Therefore, we can expect that even after this correction rally, maybe the price action retest this cloud as a support, because before that the cloud was working as a resistance for the price line for the long time period. You can see the price action was not able to break out this cloud even after the several attempts, and even after very powerful bullish candlesticks. Now finally the price action is moving above this cloud. Then we can expect that the price action will retest this support, this cloud as a support, and after that it can start a bullish rally. In fact, we have a very big increment in the market cap of the WazirX. That is more than 40%. That is increased from 15 million to 21 million in the market cap. And at the end of the video, I would like to show you this blog that I have just started. And here I am sharing all the analysis on all the assets with the complete details. And I hope that this blog will be also really very useful for you guys. And I hope that you will also support my blog as you are supporting my channel as well. So this was the update so far by the WazirX token. If I'll have more updates, I will definitely share with you. Take care. Goodbye.